Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can passing inverted triangle CONMEBOL Libertadores event group stage in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So you have to play this skill game to master your game or to master your playstyle in this game. But before we start the event, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the mission, so you can get ton of rewards from it. Let's get started by tap this play button, live event, and tap this CONMEBOL Libertadores event. The first one is this play passing 2-on-1. But I want to show you this passing inverted triangle, and you can get 2000 coin from this event or from this skill game, and even pass 100 credit. Tap play. So in this round you have to play this triangle passing to master your pass or movement of your team. Pass the ball to highlight player, don't let the ball touch the yellow lines. So you have to 3 attempts here if you fail. And there are some limited time to do this. Tap, move, passing, return the ball, pass, pass, and success. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.